Right now I'm sitting inside the cockpit of one of 17 NATO E-3A Airborne Warning and Control System aircraft, known as AWACS. And we're cruising at 33,000 feet on a 6-hour surveillance mission over Poland. This flight is part of NATO's broader assurance measures, which were decided upon at the Wales Summit last September after Russia's annexation of Crimea. From this height, the AWACS can monitor just beyond 312,000 square kilometers while detecting and tracking low-flying and high-altitude aircraft, as well as surface ships. Sitting across from me is Aircraft Commander Captain Ryan Edenstrom. Sir, can you tell me about the mission today and a little bit about what's going on here in the cockpit?
Yeah, just a little bit. We're just north of Poland right now in a racetrack orbit, setting up, providing a nice stable platform so we can provide our air surveillance, air police picture. We'll be heading over to Lithuania here in a couple hours and then back to Geilenkirchen in about 4 or 5 hours from now.
And what are some of the things that you guys are taking care of here in the cockpit?
Oh, again, just providing that safe, stable platform. So monitoring our fuel situation, providing the tactical director with what we can do as far as time on station, where we can safely position the aircraft when we need to leave, giving them PIREPs, so that's pilot reports of what the weather is doing, and obviously clearing for other traffic in the area.
Although the primary role of the AWACS is surveillance, it also performs a multitude of other tasks. Everything from combat search and rescue and battlefield air interdiction to support and control of friendly aircraft involved in offensive and defensive counter-air operations. All of this and more is managed here in what's called the mission compartment. The E-3A component crews make up NATO's only multinational operational unit. Now we're going to go speak with the tactical director, Major Rob van Leeuwen, who's going to give us a better picture of what's going on outside. Sir, good morning. Could you tell me a little bit about your role in this mission and what's going on outside?
Sure. We have active sensors, we have passive sensors, we have a weapons team that control aircraft. So we use the sensors and the technology we have on board to compile a recognized air and surface picture. And via digital connections, we can send that picture to the ground for the commanders to take the accurate decision.
Sir, could you just describe to me what we're seeing here on the screen?
What we see here on the screen is that the picture that we're compiling, we detect the air tracks, all movements in the air that we capture. We detect the surface tracks, so every boat here on the Baltic area is detected by us. We put digital information on that. That digital information will be sent by us over the data link to the ground sites or eventually to maritime patrol aircraft or ships in the vicinity. This is our own symbol, Magic 56, that's our call sign today. We're flying currently in the PL2 and we're transiting at this point here.
Right now we're seeing 2 NATO fighter jets that just took off within the last 30 minutes from a base in Lithuania. They're scrambling southbound in order to intercept an unidentified aircraft flying in international airspace somewhere over the Baltic Sea. This aircraft has failed to identify itself using its transponder. As you can see, the AWACS mission is critical to ensuring that Allied airspace is well protected and safe. Reporting from aboard an E-3A AWACS, I'm Petty Officer Josh Keim.